Tuatahi ka mihi atu ki a koutou e te tuakana e raureti I roto I tēnei whare he wāhi hou mo koutou no reira ki a tau ngā manakitanga ki runga ki a koutou. Ki anga whakamua I roto I te whakaaro kotahi. I was very pleased and excited to be invited to think about a stone to symbolise this new facet of the collections and the work of Ngā Taonga. The repurposing of information from a previous time to make people's lives now even more rich and full is an important piece of work that Ngā Taonga has at the heart of its vision. So vision is one of the things that Honiana spoke to me about with the tohu, the brand of Ngā Taonga, the idea of the eye, the collection within a waka huia, the idea of the spiral like a takarangi. I started to look at the word kāmaka and how similar it is to kāmata. And kāmata is the very tip of the leaf. So I thought, well, the collections in Ngā Taonga, all the different film and sound recordings are like a whole bunch of tips of leaves, little bits, snippets of people's perspectives. It's not the whole tree, it's not the whole person, it's a little part of what they have to offer at that particular time, the tip of the leaf. A good name for all of those concepts, that encapsulates all those concepts, was Te Kāmata Kura. So kura in that sense isn't literally red or red ochre. It's an aspiration of improvement or of increase or progress. And kāmata, of course, is the tip of the leaf. And that's what I was looking to embody in this simple rock, which originates from the west coast of Te Wharetapu o Ngā Puhi Nui Tonu, from around the base of Maunganui. Of course, people are going to see this and they're going to see a simple rock with a piece of wood, kauri timber from the Kaihū Valley, so that's part of our mana, but the kauri isn't just a tree. The kauri was recognised as a chieftain amongst the trees of the bush because the kauri has the ability to manaki. It doesn't look only for its own growth, it looks at the growth of all of the biodiversity that live within its domain, I suppose. The kauri tree has a brother that lives in the sea, and that is the paraoa, or the sperm whale. And so the two brothers, of course, are together. And so in behind the takarangi, if you look very closely, you can see the red ochre, which is the aspiration of improvement and enrichment. So what is this? In the teaching we have, the Māori is hidden, but there is always something on display that indicates to people that Māori has been considered and that the right procedures have been taken. The manea is merely the signpost, the instruction manual, if you like, that Māori is considered important here and that it's taken place. So I would consider Te Kāmata Kura as a manea for the Māori, which actually resides in all of the people who make Ngā Taonga, sound and vision, come alive for people, come alive, the voices and the visions of people in previous times, so that inspires people to use their talent and creativity to form new ideas and new knowledge and embody those those words. Mate atu he te kura, hala mai rā he te kura. Wainano te tuakana. Ka nui ngā mihi ki a koutou, tēnei wāhi, tēnei kaupapa nui whakahala. Mihi atu ki a koutou. Kia taunga manaakitanga o ngā whenga, te wāhi ngaro ki a koutou, me ngā tū momo mahi, ngā tū momo kaupapa kei te haere mai. O reira, ka nui tēnā, o reira huri noa tēnā koutou, kia ola hui mai no rata.